In the restless heart of Africa, a nation was about to endure one of the most horrifying episodes in modern history. Rwanda, a land of green hills and vibrant culture, was poised for tragedy as hidden tensions brewed beneath its picturesque surface. Long before the chaos of 1994, Rwanda's destiny was shaped by a colonial past. The German and later Belgian colonizers manipulated ethnic divisions between the Tutsi and Hutu, sowing seeds of discord. Despite the Hutu being the majority, the Tutsi were favored in leadership roles, inciting resentment. At independence in 1962, power dynamics took a fateful turn. The Hutu, tired of their subjugation, claimed leadership, leading to the displacement of many Tutsi, who sought refuge in foreign lands. It was only a matter of time before this imbalance demanded redress. 9 years prior to the genocide's heart-stopping horror, a group of exiled Tutsi formed the Rwandan Patriotic Front, RPF, in Uganda. Their desire to reclaim dignity and equality for their kin spurred them to action. By October 1990, the RPF stormed into Rwanda, igniting a civil strife. As the warfare raged, peace seemed a distant dream. Even the Arusha Accords of 1993, aimed at bridging divides with a shared government, failed to mend deep-seated mistrust. April 6, 1994, marked the night of Rwanda's unthinkable descent into chaos. Presidential death darkened the skies as Juvenal Habyarimana's plane was shot down. Accusations lingered, but were never confirmed, yet it became the catalyst for a horrifying spree of violence. Hutu militias mobilized, their genocidal intent clear. Ethnic hatred found its voice through the airwaves as radio stations called for extermination, demonizing the Tutsi as unworthy of life. The genocide unfolded with terrifying speed and ferocity. Modern weapons were scarce. Machetes served as tools of massacre. Within 100 devastating days, an estimated 800,000 souls were extinguished, lives ravaged in unimaginable ways. Tales of barbarism shook the core of humanity's conscience. On the world stage, international intervention faltered shamefully. The United Nations, overwhelmed, withdrew, leaving Rwanda to bleed. Disturbed yet inert, the global community watched, its inaction paving the way for annihilation. The Rwandan Patriotic Front's eventual dominance in July 1994 quashed the massacre. It was a bittersweet victory as Rwanda lay in ruins, mourning and chaos intertwined. An interim government fled in disarray, marking the bloody conflict's final chapter. Yet from the ashes of devastation, Rwanda embarked on a journey of reconstruction. Through the traditional Gakaka courts, justice meted out to the guilty contributed to national healing. Reconciliation became Rwanda's vision, offering a beacon of hope. Against all odds, the nation emerged from its haunted past, focusing on unity. Economic revival and societal rejuvenation followed. Once a witness to horror, Rwanda transformed into a testament of resilience. Across Africa and beyond, it became a powerful paradigm, illustrating the power of reconciliation and rebirth. The world remembered Rwanda, a stain on humanity's conscience, a lesson in vigilance and action. Now, it stands strong, urging an interconnected world to never again stand silent in the face of genocide.